Hey everybody, it's Diana from Pomona Ponderosa. We're gonna make another one of the HelloFresh meals. And tonight we're gonna have amazing apricot chicken with roasted potatoes and green beans. Now Butch already chopped everything for me. Have the green beans here, washed, prepared. We have thyme, fresh thyme. All fresh. He chopped the potatoes and the onion, or the shallot. We have apricot jam, balsamic vinegar, chicken of course, and chicken stock concentrate. In a bowl, small bowl. Put all the potatoes. Small drizzle of oil. Pepper and salt. We're gonna mix it all up. Put it on a baking sheet. The oven is preheated to 425. And you spread your potatoes out on the baking sheet. Now we're only using half of the baking sheet because the green beans will go on the other half in about 15 minutes. Green beans get the same treatment, but since they go in 10 minutes later, we do them separately. Small drizzle of oil. A little bit of salt and pepper. Mix it up, wait for the potatoes to get done. Or 10 minutes in. Now put the chicken in the bowl that the green beans were in. You're going to season all over with salt and pepper. After handling chicken, make sure you wash your hands. Heat a drizzle of oil. In the pan on medium-high heat. In the meantime, we're going to prep for the next step after we cook the chicken. Need a 1/4 cup of water. Then that goes with the stock concentrate, the shallot, the thyme sprigs, all of that will go in together. We're going to stir the jam and the vinegar in together. and we'll bring you back once everything is ready to go. Okay, the potatoes have cooked for 10 minutes. Give them a slight stir. Take your green beans, dump them on the other side. Cook them for an additional 15 minutes. While that is cooking, our little chocolate has very sensitive digestion now in his later years. So we cook him white rice and chicken, and that's it. So I just put a couple of handfuls of white rice in boiling water, a cubed up chicken breast, into the boiling water as well. All that's had raw chicken on it, so it goes straight into the sink. Didn't really touch anything, but washing my hands anyway. Better safe than sorry. So that bowl's also done. And you only need a little bit of oil in the pan. But it needs to cook for 5 to 7 minutes per side. And I just put a lid on it to prevent splatter around the kitchen. And we wait for the 5 to 7 minutes per side. Okay, I don't know if I said it earlier, but we boil chocolates, chicken, and rice only for 10 minutes. Now, we flip the chicken, and it's looking really good. Chocolates has 3 more minutes on it. Then we drain it, put it in a bowl, let it cool, and he'll get it about 7 o'clock. No, it's about 15 minutes. It's got to cool for longer than that. And generally, 1 chicken breast and 2 handfuls of rice is 3 dinners for him. He doesn't get that much. He's a little bitty dog. But he smells everything in here. And so he's sitting down here waiting by his bowl. He says, "Dinner time, Mom." And he probably thinks I've lost my mind because I'm standing in here talking to myself. All right, Choco's chicken and rice is done. I gotta switch arms. Here's his chicken and rice. It'll set aside to cool. Who's this, Choco? We're gonna set the chicken aside to rest. We're gonna add another drizzle of olive oil. We're gonna add the shallot and the thyme. And the thyme sprigs, we're gonna remove them in a minute, but they're gonna cook with the shallot. We're gonna let those cook and soften for about a minute. The potatoes and green beans are done, but the rest of the meal is not. So all we're gonna do is turn off the oven. We're gonna remove the thyme. Okay, now we're gonna stir in the apricot jam. And a tablespoon of vinegar. And you're going to mix it until it's syrupy, which doesn't take very long. Stir in some water. And the stock concentrate. You're gonna let it simmer for 1 minute. We're gonna turn off the heat and stir in 1 tablespoon of butter. That was hot. Boy, do I still have eyebrows left? Okay, so we have roasted green beans. roasted potatoes. We have the chicken breasts cooked. And the sauce. Hey, dinner's ready. We're gonna drizzle the chicken with the sauce. It's time to eat. And it's time for chocolate to eat too. See, he doesn't get very much. And here we go. He says, yummy, yummy. Dinner time. Y'all have a good night.